How are we doing today? How are we doing, guys?
How are we doing today? Everybody smash the like button. Let's try to hit as many likes as we can before the video starts. I guess this is a live stream.
Okay, cool. All right, who's in my chat? Who is in my chat before we start today? Let's see. Alton, welcome. Alpha, welcome. Thinker, Mickey, Jecker, Marcel, Voltaik. How are you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Max, welcome, Max. Yeah, we'll be starting real soon. I feel like David, how are you doing? Guys, is it just me or has it been a while? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. All right, let's take this off. Let's start the stream. We got some, you know, things to do today. Toucan, what's going on, man? Pog Dog. Nice name. Ghoul. The best part is where it starts, trust me. It's been 2 years. Dude, I literally talk to you like every day on Discord. So I don't think that's true. But let's get this stuff off. Welcome to the stream. Why is my face so... Yo, guys, hold up. My face is like shining in the light. Let's see if I can fix that. Hold up. Oh, that's like super dark now. Hold on. Let me fix my dark camera. We're in trouble. We're in trouble. All right, brightness. Boom. Oh, that's not good. We don't want that. Hold on. It's like super desaturated now. All right. Gain? Yeah. Okay, there we go. It's a little like, so I'm trying to play around with my settings. The problem is it's super bright outside, so when I open the window, I get a lot of white light, but then my face is like flushed out. So this is the best we can do for now. Okay, how are we doing, guys? In chat, everybody leave an emoji. Actually, hold on. Let me make up the first poll of the day. So how are we doing today? Good. Not so good. All right, community. The vote is in your hands. How are we feeling today? Personally, I'm having a pretty good morning. I won't lie. Having a decent morning. But yeah, how are we feeling today? Good guess in the chat. Marcel, what's going on, man? I don't have much time, but I'll say good luck making your dream game. Thank you, man. I appreciate it so much. Guys, everybody hit the like button. Let's get some more people in here. All right, so we got a couple tasks on the schedule for today. So we'll go over that in a sec. Jake, what's going on? Hamilton weather is nice and bright today. Gonna take a nice walk. You're in Hamilton too? Jake. Jake Patel. Do I know that name? I'm actually confused. But yeah, let's see. 95% of you said good. So what? One person said not so good. One person in the chat is not doing well. I mean, that's pretty good odds. It's pretty decent odds. Okay. Here's what I'm trying to do today. There's a few things. I don't think I'm going to end up doing the camera clamping on stream just because it's probably going to be very frustrating to actually do this. So we'll see what I actually end up doing. I do want to do the boss battle assets though, so I'll show you guys. Stream gang always sees it first. I haven't done a devlog in a long time anyway, so I feel like everyone's kind of in the dark as to what's been going on with Monster Tribe recently. That's my mistake. I haven't been showing you guys a lot of content recently, but that's okay. So I just been very sporadic, working on a lot of different things, a lot of different projects. I just released the course, the pixel art course, like last week and a half ago or something. All right. So I've been working on this legendary, right? And now we got to create some assets for this, which should be fun. All right, I'm going to end the poll. Most of you guys are doing good today. That's good to know. That's good to know. Okay, so we got this legendary. Now we have to create a tile for this guy to sit on. I think if I load up the game, it's probably going to crash. So keep that in mind. It's probably going to crash. There's a lot of things going on right now where we're trying to like convert over to a proper file from the demo. So like half the things I do when I play the game right now, it just crashes. But that's inevitable. Anyway, let's see. How do I find? I have to make a little platform for the legendary to sit on. But I don't know where that would be. I have literally no idea where that would be. Nice animal, dude. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I don't really stream anymore. Is that bad? I feel like I'm out of it. I don't know how to entertain people anymore. I used to be so like, what's up, guys? We're gonna do this today. And now I just work. And you guys watch me. So what's everybody up to in the chat? What are you guys up to today? It's Friday. It's a Friday afternoon, or I guess that's only where I am. It's probably a Friday where you guys are. So what do you have planned for your Friday? While I find this tile, because this is the normal battle scene. Well, I mean, not really. It's been updated since, but is this it? Yes! I actually found this first try. That is insane. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this. I guess there should always technically be a legendary on the tile, so we're gonna expand this canvas, and then I'll save this as a new thing. So I'll just say legendary tile. Question: How did you decide on the sprite size for your monsters? That was just a lot of trial and error. I used to make monsters in a 16 by 16, but it wasn't enough size to, make what I wanted to make. So I ended up, just playing around a couple times. I was gonna do a 32 by 32 because that's pretty standard, but I ended up doing a 42 by 42 just because that's just how it kind of worked out for sizing. So yeah, trial and error. Trial and error is my answer there. Really silly answer, but getting some work on my text editor done. Text editor, that's interesting. Yeah, what are you guys up to? Anyway, I'm gonna place this in on a underneath layer. And then we'll just slightly adjust it, because obviously, like, he kind of fits on this, but it's pretty small. So let's just go in here and change some of these details. Also, this creature just needs to be flipped, I think, entirely, because he'll never be on the left side. He's always going to be facing the right side. What's your color palette? Yeah, if you guys have questions, make sure to ping me in the chat so I can see it pop up in orange, and I can answer more questions that I see in the chat. So what color palette do I use? A lot of the colors I just create offhand. So if I need like I think this, I just create it offhand or whatever. But it's based on these two color palettes. So AAP 64 and AAP Splendor 128. So it gives me a wide variety of colors here, but I do need to create colors constantly. So it's just a mixture of those two palettes and then my own colors whenever I need to create new colors. So yeah, I don't really have a set palette, which I would definitely like to for future games. Just this one, it's not really how it worked out. So anyway, let's expand this slightly. So technically the canvas, we could have a creature that is any amount of size. So this is just the legendary stage platform in general. So
I have to keep that in mind because we could have another creature that like his feet are like here. We could have a creature that, let's just place some things in. We could have a foot like here and like back here. So we need to keep that in mind, that this entire space needs to be able to work for the creature. So, whoops, wrong layer. I'm literally just going to keep like a one line space. And then we can just slightly expand. I think I'm going to keep everything the same. Doesn't need to be that long or like tall. What is your favorite game? Currently, I actually don't know. I recently finished Blasphemous, which is a fun game. It's like an indie horror-esque, like, what's it called? Like Bloodborne-esque kind of game. Dark Souls, whatever. Okay, so let's just fix this. But yeah, so that was a really fun game. It was pretty frustrating at the end. Like the last boss fight was really annoying, not gonna lie. But yeah, that was a fun game. And then I also picked up Monster Hunter recently. I've been out of playing video games for a while, but recently I decided that I think it's something I need to start introducing back again, because I need to like keep that creativity flowing for when I'm making my own games. So I forced myself to start playing video games again. And I picked up Monster Hunter, which has been fun. There's also this game called Monster Tribe. It's pretty fun. I've been playing that like quite a lot. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. Monster Tribe. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so. Okay, I think that's fine. I'm not gonna play around with this too much. I could get crazy and like start like, oh God, not that crazy. I could get crazy and start like changing things around and maybe expanding this and like doing extra stuff. However, is that worth? Sure. Let's just do something. Let's just do something random. I actually like that. Oh, first super chat of the day, Julian D. Guys, Julian, if you're new around the streams, first of all, I just want to say thanks for joining us. I don't really stream too much anymore. I kind of lost my stream gang. Remember when we used to stream for like 100 people every stream? Yeah, good times. That's okay. So Julian, I'm going to throw you up on the board. And then I got to read chat. I've been neglecting chat a lot. But I got you guys, don't worry. I think I need to put on my glasses. Anyway, hold on. Let me throw Julian up on the chat, on the super chat board. Julian is a longtime super chatter. This guy, like, literally is amazing. He takes his income and then gives it away to me, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, we have a little worked out deal where he works. He's like I'm like his trophy wife, right? He makes the money, he does, and he pays me for it. So it's an interesting dynamic that we have going on. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Slight change, slight tweak. That's it. That's all we're getting for the. Actually, hold on. Let me do something else. Let me do some decals. Obviously I want to keep it like basically the same, right? But I just want to add some slight little like variants, because it is the legendary platform. So like, sure, why not? Let's get creative. Let's get funky. All right, chat. I'm gonna start reading chat, guys. Throw down what's going on. If you have any questions, I'm looking at chat right now, so now would be a good time. Who's your favorite Godot game dev YouTuber? Good guess. That's very specific. Obviously, it would have to be Game Endeavor. Are there going to be online capabilities in the game, like online monster fighting, trading, etc.? So unfortunately not, but hear me out. Let me speak on this. Oh no, the stream's dying. Let me see if I can fix that, actually. I'm gonna plug this in.
right, so we're now plugged in. Hopefully, yeah, I don't know if it's lagging super hard for you guys. It's telling me that it's super laggy, and I see tons of people leaving. So I assume that means that the stream is cutting out or something. Can you guys let me know? Thumbs up, thumbs down in chat. Can you hear what I'm saying right now? Can you see what I'm doing right now? Or is stream just like dead? Like, did the stream die? Because for me, it says encoding overload. So I think we have a problem. Oh, I gotta plug this in too. Okay, that should be better. Reece casually breaks Goodgiss's heart. Yeah. Okay, so the stream's really behind. The stream's really behind, I guess. But I plugged it in, so it should be fine. Is it only me, or is the stream lagging loads? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully, I fixed it with my Ethernet cable being plugged in and all that nonsense. But it seems like I'm like really behind. Why is it 2 frames per hour? Also, I'm playing Monster Tribe whilst watching. That's sick, man. That's hyped. That's hype. Well, I'm watching a PowerPoint presentation. Why do 80% of people leave? Yeah, I guess the stream is like dead right now. I don't know what's going on. All right, I'm gonna try to fix this. Everything is 1 frame per second, mostly just freezing. All right, hold up. Let's see if I can fix this. Can't really fix much while the stream is going, but we can try. This always happens to us. This always happens. I feel like I just can't stream anymore. It's just not something that we're capable of doing. Okay, did that fix it? Maybe. I can hear, but it's really lagged. Okay, so hopefully now it's fixed. Hopefully now it's fixed, but let me get back to this, and then you guys can let me know if it's fixed now or not. If it's not fixed, I don't know what to say. I tried everything. But I'm just gonna continue working until you guys let me know. So yeah, thumbs up and thumbs down. Now that I've fixed everything, is it working properly, or is it still like super laggy? What are you adding to Monster Tribe? So I'm working on a legendary, and so I'm making like a platform for the legendary to like sit on. It's fixed. Oh, that's amazing. Is it actually fixed? Oh, it got smooth? Yes, I fixed it, guys. I hope you're proud of me. I fixed it. Oh, wait. It came back. Encoding overload came back. So you guys might have lag again. Oh, it's good now? Okay. Good guess. You know I'm joking, man. You don't have to donate money to me to get my respect. All right, he's going up on the board. Good guess. Obviously, you know you're my fave. This guy's my favorite human being, so how could he not be my favorite Godot game development YouTube specialized learner, teacher, instructor, whatever specifications this guy gave me. Just so I don't hurt anybody's feelings. Good guess. You're my favorite human being, so it's all good, man. We're good. Did Reece even notice Good Guess's donation? Yeah, but it's like, apparently I'm like delayed like 3 hours. So when you guys are reading this, I probably already have like done a lot of stuff. Did you name the legendary? Yeah, let me show you. So okay. This is Stream Gang. This is exclusive content. Because nobody's watching, because apparently we're watching a PowerPoint presentation. So, yeah, we can show some stuff. Is it location symbols? No. I know where it is. I'm going to show you guys. This is exclusive stuff. Location pop-ups. So here's the thing. Do you use Godot? No, I want to. I want to try using Godot eventually, but I currently do not. No. Yeah, guys, it seems like I just can't stream anymore. Because I just get lag at all times. That looks like the problem. Anyway, so there's some stuff here, right? There's all the names of the places and stuff. So these pop-ups, I'll show you. I'll play the game quickly, and then you guys can see. Oh, is that why? Is it because Monster Tribe is going on? Maybe that's why we're having this lag. So I'm going to quickly show the game and show what I'm talking about, and then we're going to close this, because I think this is what's causing the lag. This is what's causing everybody to leave the stream, is having the game running in the background. I think we solved the issue. But hold on, let me play it first. So we might get like 2 frames per second here. But you see that? You guys see that? Did you see that? Hopefully you saw that. It says encoding overload, so maybe not. But boom, Iscot Mines. So we have this little pop-up that comes up. It's kind of cool. So yes, in the temple is named after the legendaries. So I'll show you guys that as well. But hold up. I gotta turn this off now. So hopefully you guys saw that, but I gotta turn it off now because I think that's what's causing the lag, and that's why we have like 2 viewers, is because we're watching a PowerPoint presentation that's not running. So that should fix the lag. I think we're in the clear now. I can't play the game, I guess, on stream. That's very unfortunate. But yeah, hopefully you guys saw that. What is your biggest tip for new character designers, if you have any? I will get to that in 1 second. Thank you so much for your question, Lucas. I appreciate that. But yeah, so did you name your legendary? Yes, his name is Notek. So it's Notek's temple, and that's the fire temple, the fire tower, whatever you want to call it in the game. So yeah. Boom. All right. If the game is causing this much lag, I think it needs some optimization. So it's not the game, because my computer's not lagging. It's just that running the thing on stream, I guess my internet is not good enough to process things properly. It's not like necessarily the game's fault. I think it's just, my internet acting up and not being able to run multiple programs at the same time. But yes, we do also need to optimize. That's dope. We saw it. Okay, cool. Yeah, you guys are delayed like 50 seconds back. So whatever you say, when I respond to it, I'm responding to it basically in the moment, but you guys are hearing me like 50 seconds later, which is kind of an extra, but yeah. What's your station specs? What, my computer? I actually don't know what my specs are. I just know I have a nice SSD. I got a Core i5 7th gen Intel, and I have an NVIDIA something graphics card. I don't know. I'm not a tech guy. But yeah, I actually use a laptop right now. I need to upgrade to a computer because the laptop situation was nice when I was moving around, but now I have a permanent desk set up, so I need to get a computer. Linus, no tech tips. Thanks, man. Yeah, no. Good guess. No longer is my favorite human being. But yeah, so what was Lucas's question? And then I can move back to what we were doing earlier. What is your biggest tip for new character designers, if you have any? So I'm not too sure, because I think a lot of character design comes from creativity, and creativity is a hard thing to get into. I made a video about creativity a while ago. Let's see if I can find that. Let's see. Can we find that? Also, thank you guys for 29K. We are super close to 30K. I'm going to be releasing a video probably next week, which should get us to 30K. My new videos have not been doing well, and that's because I've been trying to deviate from what has done well on my channel, and I'm kind of stupid for that, but you try and you fail, and then you learn from those failures. I say that in a lot of my videos, because a lot of what I do is I fail, and then I teach people what not to do. That's what I do on this channel. But hold on, is that video still? Did I private that video? It's how to be creative or something. I may have privated it. Okay, so never mind. Sorry guys, I privated that video. Okay, anyway, yeah, a lot of that comes from creativity. So I would just say get inspired from other, at first, get inspired from other creators, other, games and characters that you find interesting, because if you can find it interesting, then that means other people will also find it interesting. So try to reference other people's work in the beginning until you feel comfortable enough to express your own creativity based on what you've learned from, good character design, good game design, things like that. Learn what to do before you try to just like create your own stuff. I don't know. That's my opinion. It's not the end all, but that's my opinion. Okay. So we have this stuff. I'm going to actually export these little lines here. I'm going to put this on a separate layer again. So we can export that stuff out separately. So we have the tile working. So now we have to do another thing, which is create some kind of profile. I'll explain what I'm doing in a second. I'll explain what I'm doing in a sec. You said you played Monster Hunter. Is that the dragon taming kind of 2D but 3D game? It's like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's a 3D game. It's not a 2D game. It's like a 3D game. You go around, you have to like hunt things down and stuff. Yeah, just look it up. Monster Hunter Rise is the one that I'm playing. It's the one on Switch, which I'm pretty sure Goodgis said he wanted to play with me, but that guy is too sporadic for me. We're not friends anymore because he doesn't pick up my calls. Guys, can we start like a thunderclap? Like a thunderclap for everybody spamming Goodgis at the same time. Respond back to Reece. Get back to... Actually, that's not true. He does respond to me. He doesn't make time for me like he used to. We're both busy people now, and I miss my friends. I miss my YouTube friends. We used to talk all the time, and now we don't talk. We don't talk anymore. It's your computer, streaming, and playing. Yeah, it's just a combination of everything. Good guess. But hold on. All right, let me find... What am I supposed to look for? I'm supposed to look for... Okay, so I'm going to take... All right. I'm going to take inspiration from... So I was working on this project a while ago with another YouTuber. We're doing a game jam. I can't even remember what the game jam was for. But anyway, I'm going to use inspiration from this. This is a game jam that I was working on with Pete, if you guys have ever heard of him. If you guys know who I am, you probably know that, like, you're probably into pixel art. And if you're into pixel art, you probably know Pete. But anyway, so we were working on this game, and then it didn't end up actually ever releasing because we launched the project without a game file. So we had an itch.io page with no game. Which is embarrassing. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to use this as reference. Oh, God. Good luck on your game dev journey. Thanks, Mars boy. Wait, what did I miss? I don't know, man. Garter Snake, what's going on? Yeah, guys, the stream is definitely delayed, like, probably at least a minute. I apologize for that. Okay, so yeah, let's change this up a little bit. I have to see how big the profiles are. So, in order to do that, how do I do this? Profile strip. Oh, okay, we're good. We're on the right track here. All right, so let's grab a random profile. And then close all the tabs that we don't need. So now I'm going to paste this in. So we need the profile to be this big, at least. We definitely weren't talking about you, Goodgis. Yeah. We definitely were not talking about Goodgis. We weren't talking smack. Maybe a little. Anyway, let's rework this a little bit. I think I should just keep the same square image. All right. So I need to rename these layers.
Yeah, this was super confusing. There we go. We renamed all the layers, so we should be good now. So I'm going to paste this in here. Fill this in. But we might actually have to make this bigger. Oh, God. Yeah, because his face is going to be so much bigger. Uh-oh. Let's just see if this works. All right. So we're going to the HUD layer. Actually, yeah. Sorry, guys. This is so confusing. All right. So we want to grab his face, and I'll paste his face. I'll put it over here somewhere. I can't really put his face anywhere. All right. We're just going to put his face there. And then we can put this over top. And then get rid of everything else. So I think this is a nice position here. The legendaries are probably going to have very weird profiles because they're so much bigger than the other creatures. Like, what is that? Oh, God. Yeah, this needs to be done on 2 separate layers. Redo. Go back. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Do you ever have the fear of releasing the game and it will be a failure? No, I don't have that fear anymore. Because it's already succeeded in my eyes. It gave me an audience. We had a successful Kickstarter. And we're currently working with trying to get signed with a publisher, which is a lot of annoying legal stuff. But hopefully that pans out. If it doesn't, that's fine. I don't really care. I was going to self-publish anyway. But we are, trying to work out this deal with the publisher. So regardless of what happens, it's a success in my eyes. If everyone hates the game, that's a different story. But I mean, the demo's out, and yes, people have problems with the bugs in the game, but so far we haven't really had any complaints about the actual gameplay. We've just had complaints about the game not telling you enough on to how to play, and then also just the bugs that we know were released in the demo. So in the actual game, when we have a real tutorial and all the bugs are fixed, all those things are going to go away. So I don't necessarily think that the game's going to launch and everyone's going to hate it. But yeah, so you just have to have a little bit of confidence in yourself, I think. And as long as you have that, you'll be fine. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. I'm going to create another new layer and put this on top so I can just place this and then move it wherever I see fit. So let's go right here, maybe. This guy's face is too big. It's too big. But yeah, that looks good to me. So now we just get rid of all this. And then we say, this is our new profile, right? Okay. So this is our profile. Hold on, let me add in that color. So I'm going to merge these layers down. Merge down. And then we can move this back over here. And then we place this background back in here. And now we have our profile. So now I have to build this HUD around the other thing. What layer is this on? It's on tile conditions. Hello? Why is this on tile conditions? That's kind of silly. Okay. All right, so if we place this down, then we can start to restructure around this, right? I think that makes sense. So I think this is a good placement. So now we're gonna go in and refine until we have something that we like. Okay. So I want this to be pushed back. So we're going to cut this off sooner so we have more space. And then same thing with this. I'm going to move it. So we give ourselves a little bit more breathing room. And then, yeah, I'm just going to keep refining this until I'm happy with it. Does your monsters have do your monsters have types like Pokemon? Yes, we have classes and elements. So like in Pokemon, you have like a typing or whatever, and you can have 2 types. So in our game, every monster technically has 2 types, but it's split into an element and a class. So it's kind of different, but yeah. Anyway, how do we fix this? So we could do something like this. All right. And then I want to change the colors around. So I'm going to make these colors the same. Oh, this is so weird. Boom. There we go. Making some slight tweaks. This bar, and then we have to change the colors. So I need to find, oh god, I don't know how I'm supposed to find this. I need to find where the profiles are to get the colors. I actually have no idea where that's going to be. We might just have to pull that from the actual game. I'll probably just do that once I import it into the project. Yeah, I'm going to import that when we put in the project. But I do know it's purple, so I'm just going to do a basic change for now. Because I know that this bar is purple and this bar is green. So boom, there we go. And then I want to add some kind of like pointer. I'm going to add like a pointer here. Alrighty. Bam. I always add like a second drop shadow outline to my black outlines. What's the doggo's name? His name's No Tech. All right, let's see. When's the next art jam? I don't really know. The art jams weren't really working out, so for now they're closed. We'll see. Old school RuneScape all the way. Yeah, man, I agree. Old school RuneScape is the bomb because that's what I grew up with as a kid. Like the new one looks fine, but it's just so nostalgic playing the old one. So yeah, I agree with you. Good guess. It's funny because it's like I still see myself as like a kid. You know what I mean? Like, but I also know that there's like there's a lot of people. The majority of you guys watching are younger than me, and like. Yeah, it's just weird. It's weird feeling like there are people that don't know what you know, like songs. I made some new friends recently and like they're younger and like we were like playing tunes from like I don't know, 2006, 2008, 2010 and like they just didn't know them. And it's like, "What? The songs are playing every day on the radio. How do you not know them?" But they were just like not alive or like not alive but like not what's the word? Okay, hold on, I'm getting confused. No, what did I just do? I just deleted a layer or something. Okay, so merge these down. Good. And then we're gonna put tile conditions. Okay, hold on, I gotta create a new layer again. This is gonna be HUD. Sorry, this is so confusing, but
We're gonna take this, put it on a new layer, and then I still need to fix this up. Like, this is not finished, but for now it's fine. Like, as like a prototype, it's fine as a prototype, but I definitely want to fix it as I move forward. Should I make this like more straight on? Maybe I should do that. So I could probably just push this whole thing in. I'll create 2 different designs and then we'll see which one's better. But this will be design number 2. So it's more like simplified. So boom, push that whole thing in. Bam. And then maybe we can add a thing in here. Like that. That'll be design number 2. So I'm going to copy and then go back. So we have the old version. This just like, it's too clunky. I don't know what's going on here. There's just a lot of extra details that don't need to be in it. So sometimes simplifying is the best option. But yeah, so let's delete that, paste this one in. And so now we have the 2 different versions. Great. Let's get a vote on. This isn't going to really work because you guys are so delayed. How old are you? I am 20. I'm 20 years old. I feel old and young at the same time. I'm the youngest of 4. So I feel like no matter, like even when I'm 45, I'm still going to feel like I'm young because everybody else in my life is old. You know what I mean? So it's, I wonder if there's like a word for that. Like, young kid fallacy syndrome. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, let's do a vote. Let's do a vote. See ya. Hide user from this channel. See ya. I have no problems banning spam channels in my live chat. What is happening? Wait, it's still happening. What? Reports. What is happening? Okay. Sure. Okay, cool. Guys, mods. Yeah. I got you. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. I got you guys. Yo, that stuff's been popular. I've been getting so many like on, I'll see like on other people's channels, especially like Danny. I've been seeing a lot of like these like things come up and it's like HD webcam, blah blah blah. Which like obviously it's impossible to like we can't really control that, right? But anyway, that's besides the point. All right, back to reality. What is happening? It's still happening. I literally did hide user on this channel. What? Oh, maybe I hit the undo button. Guys, I might have hid, hold on. I might have hid the thing on the thing and then hit undo like an idiot. Primo. Where's JGM when you need him? Yeah, literally. Namanja? I don't know how to say that name. I'm so sorry. How are you doing? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing fantastic. I haven't streamed in a while, so I'm glad that we can be on here. Mod candidate here. Yeah, man. Maybe I might look for some mods eventually. We'll see. I got it. Don't worry. I'm just an idiot and undid the ban or whatever. So yeah, that was pretty dumb of me. All right, is this thing centered? Let's see. Is this centered? We are... Wait, I didn't see what I was centering from. I was centering from this thing. So if we go here, I think, yeah, that's centered. That's centered. We're good. Okay, but then I think I want to move this whole thing over. It doesn't need to be completely centered, but I want it to be a little bit more centered than it currently is. So yeah, I think that's good.
It's looking pristine. And we'll just get this double outline going underneath everything. I'm pretty happy with that. Hold on, maybe we need to shift this over one. That's looking good to me. I'm gonna watch all of the series 4th time. Wait, what's going on? What's going on? Why is HP and mana different? Like the bars? Just because one's more important than the other. That's all. Okay, I think this is good though. How are we feeling on this, guys? Chat's thumbs up, thumbs down. Do we like this? Should we do a new... Actually, I'm not gonna redesign. Do we like this or no? This like boss thing. So yeah, I guess the other thing that we can do is I gotta move these profiles. So we're gonna take these and place them above. Who's your favorite Muppet? Mine's Kermit. Mine's Goodgus. He's my favorite Muppet. Alright, so yeah, I just want to take all these colors. And then we place them up here. And then we take everything in this layer. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Alright. So I'm going to hide this layer. This is going to be our bars layer. There's so many layers. There's so many things going on right now. I'm sorry, guys. But now we place them in here and then we gray them out. Ah. Boom. Is that not pristine? Is that not pristine? So now when we re-enable the layer, let's say, oh, I deleted the wrong one. Nice. Bam. So it's going to look like that, right? It would like slowly deplete. So we could have something like this. He's got low HP. He's got, you know, so it's going to look like that. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's interesting. And I think that's all we need to do. So yeah, cool. We're officially done. Well, technically, yeah, no, hold on. We got to do something else. I'll fix it later, but yeah, that's the prototype. So I'm happy with that. Let's save this. I'll have to do all the exporting and stuff later. So I'll add that to my list. So we'll go here and I'll say boss battle assets. I'll just create a checklist. I use Trello so much. I don't really want to do many like sponsors anymore at this point. YouTube is like, I'm always going to continue doing YouTube, but YouTube's not really an income for me anymore. It's not really how I make the big bucks. So, I don't really do sponsors, but if I were to do a sponsor, it's got to be either Trello or Game Maker. I feel like those are like sure, I might end up, you guys might see sponsors at some point in the future, but those are like the only two that I actually would like legitimately be like, okay, I want to do this. Like, this is hype. I don't really want to do sponsors anymore. It's not worth it. Okay. So we added in the assets. So we did the HUD. We made the HUD for the legendaries. Legendary. Whoops. We did the tiles, the new tiles. And then we just need to... Oh, what just happened? Okay, hold on. It's coming back. Don't worry. All of my screens just shut off. But they're back now. All right, where's live chat? Now you guys are on the wrong screen. All right, hold on. You guys are going to see yourselves for a little bit here. Boom, look, live chat. Live chat in 2 different places. Sponsored by Trello. Yeah, maybe one day. We'll see.
Link the website on what you draw on. I'm interested. I use aseprite. In Raid Shadow Legends, I don't think I would. Maybe. I would only do it at, like, that's a funny joke one. That's a funny joke one. But I don't think I would actually, like, do it, personally. Okay. So I just have to import assets to game. So that's something I'll do later. I'm going to try to do, like, one more thing for stream. Fire for Fire Temple. So that one's easy. That one's just changing some colors around. It's pretty boring for stream, so I'll do that later. So I'm just going to chuck things down the list. Fire Pot Mechanic. That's too advanced for stream. We're going to throw that off. We're going to throw this off. Camera clamping. I honestly, like, that's also going to be kind of boring. A lot of the things I'm doing today are not very stream friendly. So we're going to move that down. So I guess we can make a new monster. I guess. Sure. I guess we'll make a new monster. I'm going to get rid of this off my list because when I finish streaming, that'll be done. So I'm going to take that off my list. So new monster. Should we do that? What engine are you using to make your game? I'm using Game Maker Studios 2, which is right here. Boom. It's a cool engine. It does some cool stuff. It's very easy to prototype stuff. So that's why I got into it. Will I swap eventually? Probably. If Reece made a raid sponsor, I'd meme it for the next year. Yeah, you guys have been like creating jokes. Like it's kind of funny. Literally like every video I make now, you guys on the Discord make funny jokes. Let's see. Do we have any new joiners in the Discord? Let's see. Discord gang. They added this like progression bar thing. I don't really know what's up with that. But yeah, if you guys want to join, link is in the description. You can join the Discord. We're about to hit what, 1,600 members, right? I think. So yeah, that's hype. Anyway, it's a cool place. People do fun stuff, and people also make fun of me a lot in here with stickers, which I'm forced against my will to make into stickers. But yeah, so we got some stickers going on of my face, I guess. That's interesting. As if I wasn't already narcissistic enough. You guys made me make stickers of myself. So, yeah. People are going to be watching this like in the Discord. I'm like, what is this guy doing right now? It's live stream gang knows what's going on. Nobody else knows what's going on. Anyway, yeah. If you guys want to join that, welcome. Let's pop this back over here. Okay. Welcome. Who joined the Discord just now? Pike joined the Discord. Welcome. Let's see. Yeah, you guys are starting to come in now. Oh, what's this now? That's kind of cool. Wave to say hi. That's interesting. Pike, welcome. DS Gamer 1235. Welcome. Does that mean you're like 800 years old? Were you born in 1235? That's kind of hype, dude. Anyway, I'm cool with this. I might expand this canvas though. In the future, we might just do something like this and like expand it a little bit. But for now, we cool with this. I joined like a week ago, but I didn't introduce myself. I might when I have time. Yeah, you should do that. The introduce yourself thing, it's fun. I like reading people's stuff, why they join, what they're doing, what they're up to. Anyway, I think we're just going to do a monster fusion just to close out today. So I worked on this little guy a little while ago. I haven't made a new monster in a while just because it's not my priority. But I like making smaller monsters sometimes. It's fun. This is like the best monster I think in the game. It's pretty sick. He's a sun bear. He's based on a sun bear. So I literally just made like a bear that's holding like a sun-like object. And he's kind of cool. He's like a spirit thing. And yeah. I might have to get rid of some of these monsters eventually. Or like slightly tweak or something. Fun fact. Good guess is in the chat. Guys,
Guess who made this monster? Not me. This is the only monster in the game that's not going to be made by me, which is very unfortunate. But yeah, this is actually made by our special guest, Good Gis. Guys, welcome, Good Gis. Woo! Yeah. Anyway, I made some fusions for it. This was actually one of my Kickstarter backers. So some of our Kickstarter backers had backed enough to get like fusions or whatever. So you can create fusions for the monsters or come up with concepts. I think that's where I kind of worded things wrong. In one of my devlogs, I'd mentioned like, oh, people are creating content for the game. That's not the case. They're creating concepts. So somebody's will come up to me, like this guy. He was like, can you create like a golden version of this guy with like red flames and stuff on him? And then, so I'm the one actually creating the art, which is why I'm not going to get in trouble for this, because we have an agreed upon, thing that's just saying, give me an idea and we'll put him in the game. You can work with me to do that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not literally like letting people like draw stuff to put in my game. That would be silly. Okay, let's do a fusion for somebody. Let's see, who doesn't have many fusions? I feel like... Sorry, I'm showing you guys the entire... All right, let's do this guy. I feel like this guy's pretty strong candidate. So let's come up with some color ideas. I'm gonna read chat. I know it's super delayed, so you guys are gonna respond to me in like 30 or 40 seconds, but come up with some color combinations. So maybe like 1 or 2 color combinations. So like, for example, this guy, primary color is purple. Secondary color is, what is that, silver? So let's just say, do something like that, what I posted in chat, like P for primary, S for secondary. So what do you guys think would be cool color combinations that I can work off of for this monster? We already have this one, which is, I guess what is that? Like grayish brown, and then yellow for secondary. So we already have this. We already have this. So what would be another cool design that we could do for this? I've decided to bless you all with my presence. Nice, man. Welcome, Mithril. Duckies, how you doing? So yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit of time to figure that out, so we can do that primary, secondary color combination thing. But yeah, do purple. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. Green, blue, red, green. All right, so we're starting to get. The chat is so delayed. Like this is. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. Some form of greens and gray. Okay, so green is coming up a lot. So green might have to be what we do, eh? All right. Red and green. Okay, hold on. Let's see green as the primary, and then we'll see if it's... I'm thinking this more like army green. It's very like desaturated kind of green. Makes him look... Oh, I actually like that a lot. What the heck? That was quick. Woo! That's solid. I'll try out a few different things. And then we can vote. I'll do a vote, and we'll see which one we like best. But for fusions, I typically like to start with just a color format, changing around the colors, and then I'll add in random extra details if I need to. But yeah. So we were saying a lot of greens and reds. I saw somebody else said blue. That monster is badass. Yeah, I agree, man. It's pretty sick. White, gray, white, blue, green, yellow. Ew, man. Why would you even say that? I'm sorry, but who said that? Ew. I don't mean to roast you. But I don't know. I mean, that's fine. But personally, I'm not a big fan of yellow and green. This looks fine. All right, I'll give you that. Because it's like a belly and stuff, and usually bellies are like yellow. It doesn't look bad, but he kind of looks like a crocodile now. A lot of people were saying red, so let's try red. Let's see what red looks like. I mean, this is more like orangey red than anything. But again, we can just take colors. from something else. So let me try. That was more of like a fiery red. Let's take colors from this guy. What's his name? Trixon. All right, now we got to find our thing back. Here we go. All right, bam. I like this more like ruby, almost like ruby color. It's a nice color. Ew. Why? I hate the color red. It's so annoying. Green, blue. So yeah, this is green, red. I don't know. It's all right, but it's kind of ruining the vibe, I think. Can't go wrong with Spider-Man colors, blue and red. You guys are ridiculous. All right, let me try it. Wait, hold up. So personally, I think, hold on. Let's create a new one. So I'm going to go for this one. We're going to go back here. And we're going to replace some colors. So we got this version. And then this one, we're going to do... God, I hate red. I hate red. Red is such a dumb color because it's so hard to get like a lighter, yeah, lighter color. It's annoying. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna solve this solution. I'm gonna solve this issue. There we go. So for this one, somebody is saying blue and red. I don't know if that's the vibe. I'm transparent with you guys. When you guys say something, okay, wait, hold on. That's actually kind of sick. I take everything back. Don't sue me, man. But that's kind of sick. If I change the eye color, what would be a good eye color for this? I'm thinking maybe white. But yeah, you guys are tough. You guys are tough cookies. I know I can joke around with you guys. Make fun of your decisions. And then sometimes when it works out like this, then I get... You guys can make fun of me. Anyway, I think this is interesting. You're using a cool red with warm green. That's why it looks off. Yeah. Well, I was just, this one's more of a, like a diluted, but this orange, because it's going into the orange, it looks kind of weird. Try lighter shades of green. Okay, let me try this emerald green. I don't know. This one might be crossing some boundaries. This one is, yeah. I don't know about that. Oh God. Woo. Uh-oh. All right, so this one I think probably we need to change. So if it's like an army kind of like green thing. What if we actually try like an orange? Let's actually try an orange. Okay, so that color is disgusting, but I mean, I think it's fine. He kind of looks like, what does this remind me of? It reminds me of like a construction worker or something. So it looks like Bob the Builder in some way. In some weird way. You should make a multiplayer mode, trading plaza to oh my God, I totally forgot to answer that question. Somebody asked me something about online multiplayer like 2 hours ago. Not 2 hours ago, like an hour ago. But yeah. So, hold on. Basically, there's only local multiplayer in this game, okay? So there's like a simulation mode and you can play against, you know, your friends. It's a local 2-player versus mode. But because it's a Steam game, you can use Steam Play Together to go online and host the game online and play with your friends online. So it's like a workaround. It's kind of like a workaround. Steam Play Together, if you guys don't know, it's basically just like a thing that Steam made where you can play local games online. So you can like play with your friends and stuff. When I did it like a year or two ago, it was pretty buggy, but I'm sure they worked on it. And I'm sure when we release this game next year, it'll be, you know, in a proper position to, you know, work. But anyway, yeah, so we got this version, we got this version. Let's do one more. So let's see. You guys have any more? Try pink, please. I mean, this is pretty pink. Oh, do you mean on the green? Try pink on the green? All right. I'll try it. This is pink. Oh, I actually like that. That's kind of clean, dude. All right, so we got pink. I think pink's better than the orange. Pink's better than the orange, better than the red. So we got pink, we got red and blue. Let's do one more color combination. So I need you guys to send me some suggestions again. One more type of color combination. Blue, purple. Okay, hold on. Let's just see. Is blue better than the red? Is blue better than the red? I'm gonna go with like a vibrant purple though. Oh wait, what did we do? Hold up. I kind of like that, but it doesn't stand out as much as the other one. I mean, this one's definitely more like fitting. Like, you don't want your primary and secondary being like so like, I don't know. I do like this, but man, I'm actually torn. This one just, it focuses more on the blue and it gives it more of a theming, right? This has a lot more theming and purpose, but this one just looks kind of sick. And as somebody was saying, it looks like, yeah, we got to do this one, I think, personally. Will you make a trading plaza so you can trade monsters? Also, you didn't read, but I want player skins. We do have player skins. We got you. Don't worry. They're not like paid things, though. They're just things that you can get in the game. But yeah, there's customization for the player. We got you. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. I think this makes a lot more sense than this. So this one, let's play around with, maybe play around with the eyes. I don't know what color the eyes should be. Let's try red. Not red. Yellow. Whoa. Yeah, I feel like yellow is pretty good. I think yellow makes sense. So, all right, let's see. Do you have any more color combinations? White and aqua. That's interesting. Yellow and white. Blue, purple is more monochromatic. Yes, I agree. Which I think helps, you know. Black and red. Okay. That's interesting. Let's try it. I'm going to do like a bluey black. Whoa. Actually. All right, we got to create our own colors for this one. All right. One more. This one's got to be a lot different though, because it's like a shine. So I'll make this one slightly lighter as well. The black and red's pretty interesting. Black and red, can't go wrong with black and red, can you? Yeah, I agree. Black and red's pretty cool. For something like this, I'd probably do like a cool, he could have like a cool horn or something. Not exactly like this, but we could do something kind of like this where he has like a horn. This looks like a hat, so it doesn't really make sense, but you know what I mean. I can figure out some kind of horn type thing. I think that would be interesting. And then yeah, we can do some stuff with this. JGM is here finally. Welcome, dude. JGM has arrived. Will you be able to upgrade your monsters like defense and attack, but each monster can only have 10 points of upgrades? Yeah, so we're not doing something exactly like that. Not doing something exactly like that, but we have fusions for customization. Oh, nice. Nice. We got another spam thing. Hide user on channel. Sweet. See ya. Yeah, and we also have a mod in the chat now as well. Thank you so much, DS Gamer, for your super chat. I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to throw you up on the board as well. Thank you so much, man. DS Gamer 1235. Welcome to the board. Welcome to the super chat board. So you actually gave a suggestion. So, all right, I got you. Silver with metal gray and red eyes. So hold on, let's try this. Have you experimented with 3D? I've done a little bit of experimentation with 3D. I'll show that quickly and then we'll do the last design. But yeah, thanks JGM. I appreciate it. I tried to do the ban thing. I don't know if I did a ban. I just did a hiding or whatever. I don't know if that's the same thing. But yeah, thanks so much JGM. Appreciate you. Okay, hold on. So let me quickly show. To be honest, I don't even know if I have this file anymore. So, but you asked for it, so let me find it. 3D projects. So I was working on this game, which is kind of like a 2.5D type game, where you have like 2D sprites projected on 3D planes. And stuff like that. I mean, this art also is very outdated. I wasn't very good at pixel art when I was doing this. I would love to make a game like this in the future, but obviously, again, Monster Tribe just has my attention, right? But I would love to make a 3D game. I feel like I would probably work with a 3D artist, though, or not a 3D artist, somebody that knows how to use Unity. I'd like to hire on a dev for my next project, I think, because I don't have time to learn a new game engine. There's just too much going on. But I'd like to make a 3D game. Yeah. Okay. So, let's do the donation. Guys, I'm a sellout. What can I say? I'm a sellout. But somebody, DS Gamer, donated a super chat, and he said he wanted silver with metal gray and red eyes. So let's try it out, and let's see what goes on with that. So yeah, I'll do one more version, and then I'll vote. I'll get you guys to vote before we end the stream. I'll get you guys to vote on which one's the best. And I'll see. Maybe I include one or two or something of them. We'll see. Maybe this monster Proculi just has a bunch of fusions. But yeah, I'm going to do this quick, and then I'll start reading chat, and then we can have a little Q&A time before we wrap up the stream. So the stream's not ending like right away. But yeah, I want to have some Q&A time. That would be nice. Fire alarm's going off right now. So, guys, I might die on the stream. If I do, you are all here to witness it. Anyway, so silver with gray and red eyes. That's the plan. That's what we're doing. So I cannot read chat right now. I'm just gonna keep my eye on that, and then I'm gonna create that quickly, and then we'll move on. So silver, it's kind of like a silver, I guess. Nah, we should use that for the secondary. So, oh God, I'm dying. I'm dying right now. I think I'm dying. It's like smoke in the air. Okay. Let's use... I don't always use template colors, but for now it's nice to prototype. So it's good to just have colors that you can refer to. Whoa. Okay. This color is going to have to be way darker, I think. And then you said red eyes as well. Yeah, guys, I guess I'm a sellout. If you donate to me, I guess I'll make your creations what you want. So this is what I guess. Hold on. Let's make the other one darker. And then I'll bring chat back up. Actually, let me just bring chat back on now. Okay, that's actually really cool. Make me Discord admin before you die. Yeah, we'll see about that, man. We'll see. Can't believe Reece made the first Doom game. Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool, eh? I made the first Doom game. How do you organize your sprites? Just wondering. I don't. I kind of do, but I kind of don't. And it's a nightmare. I'll show you. So I am a very organized person. Don't get me wrong. But when it comes to Monster Tribe files, shit's everywhere. Like it's not. So like I have my different tabs. So like for my freelance work, I have my freelance work, and then I can go in there and I have all my stuff. That's all organized. But when it comes to other things and like my sales, my tax, like my income and all that stuff is sorted properly, good to go. Like I have, 2019, 2020, 2021. So I have everything ordered in years of dates, all that stuff figured out because, tax reasons. But when we go to Monster Tribe, you'll notice that it's not very organized. We got files literally everywhere. I don't even know what this is, man. Like, we got this running pixel art pug in here. I didn't even make that. I just found it online. And I was like, this is the cutest thing ever. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna get a pug one day. When I move out, and I buy my house, I'm probably gonna buy a pug too, because they're cute and I like them. But anyway, yeah. So things are not very organized on this file. I tried to, so I have like all my music in this folder, all the sound effects, and that's all sorted into different categories and stuff. So for the most part, things are kind of ish sorted, but when I was first creating the project, I was just throwing everything into the Monster Tribe folder. So I got things everywhere. But since then I tried to organize it by, I have like the different areas, the cave area, the clearing, the dungeons, menu concepts, scenes. So I have different things kind of sorted, but it's pretty all over the place, and I'm not very happy with that. But see, it's like semi-sorted, kind of. Okay, darker gray, not light. For which one? Darker gray for the outside? Add the pug to the game? Yeah, man, that'd be pretty dope. Darker gray for the outside, maybe? All right, so we're gonna have a vote on which thing we like the best. Oh God. Okay. I actually like that. That's really cool. Anyway, yeah, so we got one. How many do we have? So this is version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. I might end up making 2, but vote on your favorite, and I'll just see what's going on. Which version is the best? So we got version 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I'm just gonna type in. So version 1 is, I think, green. Yeah, so we got green. Version 2 is silver, black, and blue. So we're gonna do silver, black, and then blue. So I'm gonna ask you guys that. Again, this chat is delayed like 50 seconds, so it's gonna take a bit for you guys to see what I'm doing with the poll, but yeah. All right, looking at chat now. Wow, Reece only does suggestions when paid. Rigged. It's not rigged, man. But if somebody pays me like $10 for a suggestion, if I don't do that, I feel like I'm a bad person. You know what I mean? I'm biased for black and red, so yeah. No, the black and red's really cool. I'm gonna shift through them as we talk about this. So again, blue, that's number 4. Black, that's number 3. Gray is number 2. Or silver, whatever, and green is number 1. I feel like black is probably gonna win. I'd say my favorite, well, I think this is my least favorite, personally. Oh God, what is happening? No, stop. Yeah, personally, I think green is my least favorite. I really like this one. I like all of them actually, but these ones are pretty solid. Let's see if a yellow eye works better though. I usually like the yellow eye when I'm doing like black and red stuff. It looks very like menacing. So yeah. Oh man, so black's currently winning, but it is a very split vote right now. We got black in first place with 36% of the votes. We got blue in second place with 29% of the votes. Silver in third place. So you guys basically are doing what I said. Except I think that the silver is better than the blue. The blue's solid, don't get me wrong, but I do like the silver. Actually, no. I think my order is the same as you guys. I think it goes black, blue, silver, green. I might say blue is my favorite though, over black. Black's cheating because it has a little spike on it. But again, I didn't do any kind of like alterations to these. So, yeah. Which I will do. It's just right now we're just doing the color code. Black is losing? No, black's winning, man. Black is in first place with 33% of the votes. Third of you guys want black. Oh, blue just jumped up. It's tied. It's a tied game right now. That might mean that we have to make both. I think that's what it means. I think we gotta make both. So we'll leave that on for a little bit. You guys can continue to vote. I'm gonna increase this color a little bit though. Okay, maybe I should actually make this darker. Instead of trying to make things brighter, I should make things darker. To get more contrast. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's looking like black's winning. Blue's in second place. Silver is not far behind. So yeah, that's interesting. Anyway, guys, I just want to mention, because the stream is going to end soon. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the chat right now. Ping me in the chat, just at my name, at Reece, whatever pops up. So ping me in the chat, ask your question. I'm going to answer a couple questions before we leave. But the stream is ending soon, so just an FYI. And yeah, if you're joining in here and you're a little late, I just want to mention the game that we are working on today and that we have been working on all day is Monster Tribe. It's a game that I'm currently developing. It is an open world monster catcher RPG game. What's the pixel art software? It's aseprite. I use aseprite for 99% of my pixel art. You can play the demo. So this little button right here, download Monster Tribe demo. You guys can play the demo. It's quite buggy and there isn't really a proper tutorial, but we do have a chat thing. We have a channel in the Discord server where you guys can ask questions. And either myself or somebody in the community will hopefully help point you in the right direction. So for, if you get stuck or you don't know what to do. But honestly, just if you read the dialogue, you'll be fine and you'll be able to figure it out. But yeah, we have a little FAQ thing for the demo for people that get stuck on the tutorial thing. But yeah, we didn't have enough time to make a proper tutorial. So when you're playing the actual game, there'll be real tutorials with things that you guys can reference. We didn't really have time for that. So the demo's more of just like a prototype of the mechanics rather than giving you guys something super awesome, fun to play. But there is a full story thing in there. It's like 4.5 hours to complete the full demo on average. So yeah, haven't played the demo yet. I'm just going to shoot it in the chat if you guys are interested. The game we're developing right now and currently making on this live stream is Monster Tribe. Play the demo if you want. Wishlist the game. That would greatly be appreciated. Yeah, that's about it. So I gotta now import all these sprites into the game, finish making these things. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna end the poll now. Thank you so much, everyone. Oh, green actually came up. Green came up in second now. Personally, I don't really like the green though. I think it's gotta go. Maybe at a later point in time. Actually, I'll keep that for the Monster Tribe development team to discuss.
I can't keep all of these though. Okay, so black came in first place, green and blue tied for second place, and silver came in last. So yeah, I think green is better than blue, so we're gonna kick green out of there, and then I'm gonna keep these up just in case. But I doubt all 3 of these versions are gonna be in the game. We'll see. We'll see. I'll expand on them and change them around a little bit. But yeah, I have so much more work to do. I probably just work tomorrow because I try to get weekends off, but sometimes I'd rather just, you know, take it easy, get an extra day in. So anyway, yeah, if you have any last minute questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to be ending the stream very soon. Have you decided on a name for the main character? Not yet, no. Which is kind of silly, but I'm sure we'll do it soon. So yeah, this is what I have to do. I might do it tomorrow instead of today, but this is what I'm gonna do. I have to import the boss battle assets, and then there's like this like new mechanic for the fire temple. We're currently working on the fire area for the game, so we're working on the mechanics for that area. So, yeah. Relo, welcome to the stream. Unfortunately, we are ending very, very, very soon, but I appreciate you jumping in here. Appreciate it. Yeah, I think that's gonna conclude today. I had a fun time. Hope you guys had fun on this stream. But yeah. I'm going to be putting out a new video probably next week, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be on a pixel art tutorial because a lot of people have been requesting that. So why not give back to the community and give you guys some knowledge? I love making those kind of videos, so yeah. Favorite video game OST? Hyperlight Drifter, 100%. Yeah, that'll be the last question. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. And I'm sure I'll see you soon. I'll try to start streaming a little bit more